Hi, how are you? My name's Edward Plant from the Business League. My wife Rebecca and I own and run the Business League. We've been on the Gold Coast for nearly 10 years now. And you've just grabbed the 25 best pieces of networking advice that we believe every Australian business owner should have. So well done on grabbing that. There are two things I think that you should do from here. Maybe there's a few because you should definitely read it. The second one is you should come join us at an event, for sure. So my wife and I are passionate about creating the best business breakfast on the Gold Coast for business owners. We have a vision of bringing business owners together to connect, support each other, develop and grow their businesses. The reason we want to do that is that we believe if enough Gold Coast business owners improve, their communities will be better off, which will have a ripple effect throughout the Gold Coast and make the Gold Coast a better place to live. Now, the reason we want that is because we've got a 5-year-old and a 2-year-old, and we want them to love growing up on the Gold Coast because it's an amazing spot. So come along to one of our breakfasts. That's what we're about, big picture. But we get amazing speakers. We've got an amazing group of business owners that come along every month. We get about 70 to 80 business owners. It's a really fun, productive use of your time. So there's a link below. Check out our next breakfast. And if you like what you see, come along. The third one, which was the second one, but the first one is you need to read the download you've just got. So the third one is I'm going to clear a couple of hours out of my schedule over the next couple of weeks and open them up to anyone who's having trouble with networking and getting results. And you can just jump on a 15-minute call and we'll just help you network better. It doesn't matter whether you're networking with us or anywhere else. Through the Business League, we want business owners to succeed. And I know that if you can improve your networking, you're going to improve your results for your business and life will be better. So as our gift to you, 15-minute power call to help you improve your networking. If you've got any questions apart from that, just hit reply to one of the emails we send you and let me know how we can help or what you need. Apart from that, my name's Edward Plant. I look forward to seeing you at one of our events soon.